Hey, what's going on guys, I'm Ryan, welcome to another video. You guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In this video, let's have a look at this A+ 1.75 inch AMOLED display smartwatch made from XIAOMI Heyplus. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let's try to make it shorter. I'm gonna start with the unboxing, then I'll be covering the specs and some things about this watch. And guys, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Okay, so without any further ado, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so it comes in this very minimal box, Born to Brave on the front there, A+ watch, and on the back there's a sticker with a few specs, waterproof level IP68, for example, screen AMOLED, wristband material silicone. Pause if you want to have a closer look. Let's just crack this open. And there you have it guys, this is what you are presented with. This watch is only available in one color, this one. Okay, so there you go guys, it does look good, I must tell you that. It has an aluminium frame and just one button there on the side, very minimal. I like the look of it, to be honest. Of course, on the back we have the sensors for the heart rate monitor or the SpO2 monitor and the charging ports. Let's have a look what else we have in the box here guys. Yeah, we have the charging cable / dock. So there's no wireless charging for this watch, you need to drop it there. You can see the charging pins there that will match the back of the watch like that, magnetic, like so. And according to the manufacturer, the battery should last 21 days, 306 mAh battery. I must say I've been using the watch for a while and I never charged it so far, so thumbs up for that. Let's now talk about, for me, the main feature of this watch is the face video. So there's a huge gallery that you can choose from. As you can see on this clip here, face gallery, this is inside the app. So we got different styles, and even inside each style you got different colors, for example, as you can see here. There is even an AI mood that will detect your mood. This is still in beta phase, but yeah, as you can see, it's detecting my mood. That not very happy. And yeah guys, just pick the face, install it on the watch, and you get the crisp animation. Speaking of that, the resolution of this watch is 368 by 448 AMOLED display, as I told you before, and the pixel density is 326. Always on display guys, you can turn that off or on. That's another nice feature of this watch. Okay guys, let me show really quick the menus of the watch. Activity, heart rate, sleep and blood sensors, workout records, mindfulness, WeChat play, stopwatch, timer, music control, camera control, find my phone and settings. Let's have a look, for example, on this SpO2 monitor. This is for to measure the oxygen in the blood. Of course, don't use this watch as a medical device, it's just for reference only. Okay, you got 99%, so thumbs up for that. Continuing here on the settings, you can see watch face there, so you can change the face of the watch directly there on the watch itself. You don't need to use the phone for that. You can also change the screen brightness and the screen on time, 5, 10, 15 seconds. Raise to awake option there, and all this on display. And inside that you got different options. You got the smart mode as well. Be aware this will drain the battery ever so slightly faster. Inside the settings you can also change the list to a grid mode. So if you look at apps now, you get this style if you prefer it that way. So it's very customizable if you wish to. Within the phone app you get the results in more detail about your exercises and about the other monitors like the heart rate, blood, etc. Here you can see multi-sport. I did a free training and you can see the heart rate levels there and heart rate zones. This watch is IP68, but I don't recommend you take it to the swimming pool. Here you can see different exercises. On the other settings you got Find Watch. Be aware there's no speaker on this watch, only vibrates. And if you look here at the notifications, you get a list of the apps you want to receive notifications or not. The notifications will look like this on the watch, where we're able to see any missed calls, etc. If someone calls your phone, you get on the watch the caller ID and the option to reject the call or mute the call. It was mentioned that in terms of message notifications, iMessage or WhatsApp, I didn't get any on the watch. As you guys can see here, I double check and I've got everything turned on. WhatsApp, it's there, but yeah, it doesn't work. Hope this can be fixed in the future. Another cool feature is this music control. On the watch itself, it controls the music from your phone. Pretty nice stuff, especially in the gym. This is quite handy. When you take the watch outside, it will be easy to see. The screen is quite good, guys, I must tell you that. It's bright enough to see it when the sun is shining. Don't know if you notice, I've got two small cracks on the screen. I believe this is because I took it for a swimming. The water was warm. Although this watch is IP68, but I don't recommend you take it to swimming. Guys, looking at the strap here, they call it liquid silicone, quite comfortable. This watch is very lightweight, only 36 grams, and the thickness of the watch is 10.3 millimeters. And saying that, let's wrap this video. Good quality smartwatch with a very good display. The video on the face watch is quite cool. The sensors, they do work fine. I did two tests, the heart rate monitor and the step count. Both were accurate enough. The step count was a bit optimistic, maybe a couple of steps in 50, not too crazy. Yeah, overall good multi-sport tracking, good smartwatch. I'm going to leave a link down below so you guys can check out the current price. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you find it helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Click that button. Thank you very much for that. More content pretty soon on the channel. Guys, again, thank you very much for watching and hope I can see you all in the next one.